Just Luna, back with another video, and this is part 2 of my family home speed build, where I will start and finish the second floor. And if you haven't already, feel free to go watch part 1 where I speed build through the first floor of my family home. So now, let's get started. Okay, if I am to be honest, there aren't any hacks I can think of that are in this video, but I will say that right now that your girl is tired because it is the middle of the night, or at least in my time it is, you know? No? Okay. Well, I hope you guys enjoy this quick video, and please feel free to comment any questions you may have in the comments. I will make sure to read them, even if it is just one. I'll read it. Trust. But yeah, anyways, enjoy. Okay, tell me why, while I'm editing this, I noticed this, no, you're not supposed to be there. But this is how you know that I was up late doing this. So, but what can I say? I love Toca Boca. So, yeah. Anyways, back to the video. Finishes the speed build of my family house. I hope you all enjoyed the video, but don't forget to comment any questions or video recommendations you guys all have. I will make sure again to read them, and don't forget to subscribe and become part of my journey today. Just Luna out.